Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I have an exciting announcement. Drumroll please. I've designed a set of 3 brand new color grading posters. Let's take a look. As you may already know, I sell colorist icon packs for the Elgato Stream Deck on my website currently, but I have never sold a physical product before. Until now. The really cool thing about buying these posters is you can either buy them framed or you can just buy the paper print to frame yourself. If you do buy them framed, I'm going to show you what the framing looks like on both the 12 by 18 inch and the 24 by 36 inch, so you can be confident about what you're buying. But yeah, definitely if you would prefer to just buy the paper print and then frame it yourself, there's the option for that. Big 24 by 36 inch size and a smaller 12 by 18 inch size. So there's 2 options. Taking a look at the back, this is the framed 12 by 18 inch poster, and you can see that it's nicely stapled into place with a sawtooth picture hanger attached to the top. That's a closer look. Now the framed back of the 24 by 36 inch poster, which is sitting behind me here, looks a little bit different, so let me show you that now. Okay, so turning around the 24 by 36 inch, you can see that this is sealed in place with tape, but again, it has that same sawtooth picture hanger frame that I mentioned earlier. Hopefully this gives you a bit of an indication size difference-wise between our 2 posters here. Okay, so breaking down each of these posters, the first one here is one of my favorites. It's called Lift Gamma Gain. As you can see, we have a shadow, midtones, and a highlight wheel. It's really minimalistic and flat, and it's got a really beautiful color wheel outlining each of these wheels here. So this is the first poster in the collection and one of my favorites. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this poster is again really cool and appeals to the nerds out there like me. This is called Video Signal, and you can see it's got an RGB parade, it's got a histogram, and it's got a vector scope. Everything that you need to analyze your image is hanging static on your wall. Make sure to not use this as a reference for your grading jobs. And finally, we have seen this quite a lot this video, but this is, I think, my favorite. This is called Color Wheel. Obviously, the black and white gradient line and the control point in the middle is really subtle touches, but again, this is a really clean poster and it looks great in either the 12 by 18 inch size here or the larger size behind me. I'm really excited that these posters are out there. When I wasn't filming this video, all of my small set of 3 posters were hanging up on my wall. It's a really lovely addition to my grading suite, and I hope that if you're a post-production professional or you're a colorist, you might be interested in purchasing one of these. Go to my website, www.lucrosspost.com/store, and check them out. And I'd love any feedback below. I could be tempted to add some more poster designs going forward, so if there's anything that you'd like to see, let me know down in the comments and maybe I can make it for you. Also, just sort of getting a feel of the room, would anyone be interested in mouse pads or notepads or mugs or anything else with some sort of color infused designs? Let me know in the comments below. If you've reached this far in the video, I just want to say a big thank you for supporting me. If you don't want to buy the posters or you're not interested in any of the digital products that I offer, the easiest way to support me, which is free, is if you just hit that like button, comment down below, and make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.